Mail Queen. I got a couple of items from Amazon today, so I thought I'd go ahead and share with you guys because one of them was a die and I was playing today actually with some other new dies. So I did pick up some, remember the bead caps that I had, not bead caps, I'm sorry, they are tassel caps that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I had picked up 2 of them, and I wanted to pick up a rose gold color, so I did order that from Amazon. Oh, I think either a week or 2 ago. No, it took a while actually, because I think it was coming from China. So anyway, I haven't been able to find any rose gold bead caps from the stores here, so I did order it from Amazon, and you get quite a bit. I think there's about, can't remember if it's 40 or 50, but they're really pretty, and they are metal, and they look like they're about the same size as the smallest tassel cap. I'm sorry if I said bead cap. Tassel cap from the one I hauled from Hobby Lobby. So can't wait to play with that when I get a chance. I would really like to make some more tassels. And it's good to have just different colors in your stash. And then I did get my Pink and Main bow die. It's the stitched bow die. And this is the large. And I've already taken it out of the package actually and already put my magnetic sheet. Here I'm just sharing the bow that I cut with the medium size. So that's how it looks assembled. But again, this is the medium one, so I wanted to just show you guys the comparison because the large bow die that just came in that I played with today is considerably larger than the medium. There's a pretty big size difference. So I did play with it and I absolutely love this die, like I've mentioned before. First of all, I think it has this wonderful smooth finish, and I don't get any splinters, you guys. That is probably the best feature of this die. It does not give me splinters, and I don't, you know, it's hard to work with dies that you have to cut the little pieces, you know, you have to cut them apart. You end up getting splinters. I always do, and I've gotten to the point where I always have my tweezers handy because, yeah, I get splinters all the time, so I'm so used to just removing them from my fingers. And they still hurt, but, you know, at least I know how to deal with it. But I love this die because I do not get splinters, so I'm going to have to check out the other dies that Pink and Main sells because it's totally worth it. And it's just a safer die to use. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to share with you guys a few bows that I assembled. So they came out so stinking cute, you guys. So here is the first few bows that I created. And they came out so cute. In the center of a couple of the bows that I made, well, I think like 4 of them, I used the Michaels holographic bling piece sticker that Sophia had gifted me. Hey girl, thank you so much for those little bling pieces. I absolutely love them. And they look like candy too, so cute. So as you can see here, look at the difference. The medium size bow is on the bottom and then the large. So it does look pretty big. So I can only imagine how the small one looks like. It's probably teeny tiny, but I probably will get it just to complete my little collection here. And like I said, I'm just loving pink and Maine dyes, so I'm gonna have to look into it. So here I used that paper that I had hauled from Michael's, and it looked like it had, you know, little dots on it, like little fish scales. It's so pretty. I love it. That's Genevieve's favorite too, my daughter. She loves that, you know, holographic look to it. It's just super sparkly, you guys. And in assembling this though, it is a little bit thicker, so it was a little bit harder to you know, to fold over. So it's really easier to use thinner foil paper. And I actually used this one, the Cricut foil, what do they call it? Foil poster board. It's not as thick as, I mean, it is pretty thick, but it was pretty easy to, you know, fold over. And of course, I use my bone folder to kind of shape it a little bit before I even try to, you know, assemble that bow. So I love that paper from Cricut. I'm so happy I got it, and it was on, well, I didn't, was it on sale? No, I used my 60% off coupon, so I'm gonna have to get some more of those because I absolutely love the pastel colors. So these were really fun to make. And then I was playing with another die of mine that I recently hauled and showed you guys, and it's the Vintage Tea Party by Crafter's Companion, Sarah Davis, and it comes with the 4 dies that you use to cut, and then you assemble them. I didn't assemble it, you guys, but I will show you. Oh, and just to let you know, the packaging does not come with the what is that called? The magnetic sheet, sorry. I just already put the magnetic sheet on the packaging, and this is how I store my dies. If the packaging is, you know, it has the name on it, name of the die, I keep the packaging and I just adhere the magnetic sheet on it. This is another die that I was playing with as well, and this was a gift from my friend Sophia. Hey girl, thank you so much for also giving me this die for my birthday. And I had to play with it because of the paper that I used here for the bow. It has the little scales, well, they look like scales. So of course I had to play with the mermaid tails, and look how it comes out. It's so cute. Look how super stinking cute that is, and can't wait to use this on a project. I'm probably gonna cut them apart, the tails rather, but it is a banner actually. So, but it's so stinking cute. And then here is the cupcake that I haven't assembled, but I did cut the pieces. And you basically do have to cut like the shadow, I guess, the bottom piece, because as you can see, it's pretty intricate, and you do have to put a bottom piece on there. If you guys know what I'm talking about, like a background. If that is, if you want to, you don't have to, but just so you can see it better. So, but it's easy to cut that part. You don't even really need to cut the scallop on top, because the cupcake, actually when you assemble it, it covers the scallop. So you don't even have to cut this, you don't have to be that precise and cut the scallops when you're fussy cutting the bottom part. So anyway, then there's the frosting, and then here's the cherry. I cut the cherry using 2 different colored foil paper, and then just layered the pink cherries on top of the green stem. So enjoy your Friday, everyone, and I hope you guys have also a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and stay cool, and hopefully I'll be able to come on again tomorrow to do another video, and if not, then maybe on Saturday. We'll see. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.